Wow.
I know what
Give me.
words.
Right, so hello once again and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shira of Lifestyle Glam. If this is your first time on my channel, you are awesomely welcome. The energy here is to die for. And of course, if you're already subscribed to my channel, oh, you're the real MVP. Right, so today is all about this. I hope you guys can see the sparkly in this look, because seriously, with lighting, the struggle is real. Anyway, so I used the Sephora, I used my Sephora collection palette. I actually chose the colors in this, and then Sephora gave me that, and for this look, and I wanted to just do something smoky, something sparkly, and I hope you can see the sparkle and the glitter and the everything in this eye, you know. All right, so yes, and of course, you know where to find me on social media: Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. All is Julia Style Glam. And of course, if you haven't subscribed though, let me just tell you now, if you have not subscribed, let me just tell you, I will report you. Better subscribe. If not, I will report you. Let me just tell you, see, it's not hard, it's not hard, it's just one button somewhere there, I don't know, just find it sharp. It is not hard. And that's it. So all products will be listed in the description box below. Yes, and of course, do not fail to leave your suggestions on whatever type of looks you'd like to see, or what kind of, you know, makeup looks you'd like me to do for you. I'm open to suggestions. And of course, do not fail to like, share, comment on this video. So yes, so until my next video, have a wonderful day. Bye. So I went ahead and done one eye. It's a smoky look. It's a smoky, it's quite a dramatic smoky eye. Okay, so, and it's pretty easy to do, so you guys, you don't worry about it. So I went in with my Makeup Forever paint pot in aqua black, and I used it all over the eyelid. Okay, now I wanted that very dramatic, you know, extreme, how do I put it, extreme penciled cat eye look, okay, rather. And that is what I was trying to do here with the black, aqua black from Makeup Forever. So pardon me if you see me, or if you notice I'm not looking directly at the screen or out of focus, because I was actually conducting an Insta live video, which you're gonna hear some tidbits in this video. Okay, so yes, and I'm using my palette from the Sephora, as a Sephora Code palette, and like I stated before or previously, I'm not sure, I actually chose the colors I used in this palette, and then Sephora gave me that quad which I used. Now pardon me for going out of focus, because I wasn't seeing anything. I wanted you guys to really see, you know, how beautiful and dramatic the eyeshadow I was using from Sephora, and I really love, because it has reflects of purple inside it. So I went to switch on the lights so that we could have more, you know, you could be able to see what I was doing. So using the Balm palette, I used the color Matte Kumar from the Balm palette to blend out that smoky eye look, and then going in with my Kiko, excuse me, that's my Kiko eyeliner, which I used to just define the eyes. Have you said hello? Welcome.
Yeah,
I used to define the eyes. So my son just came in, and we were having a banter of words. I am doing it. Which one?
That you are doing it, because you cannot say hello.
Who said we cannot say hello? You don't want to say hello.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
Thank you.
How was church?
Fine.
They just came in from church, so I left earlier. Okay, so we're back to the video at hand. So I used also my from the same quad palette, I used it for the eye, the corners of the eye, and then using the same Makeup Forever paint black gel liner in aqua black. I use it to underline the color, the under eye or my eye line. Okay, so like I said, it's quite a dramatic look, and that was what I was going for. Pretty simple and straightforward to do, you know. And yeah, I had my hair in a beautiful bun there. It's a wig and I transformed it into a bun. Okay, with, and it was beautiful. I was just looking for that, you know, Nefertiti, you know, hair, you know, effect, if you guys catch my drift. Yes, so, and I think I nailed it, you know, with the Nefertiti thing. I think I nailed it. Okay, but I think there's so many videos you can actually look for and find on how to style or, you know, put your hair in this kind of bun. Okay, so yeah, and now I'm applying my blush, and I'm using my MAC in Amberine Rose, if I'm not wrong. I hope it's not Amberine. Yes, I think it's my MAC in Amberine Rose. And then I used my nude palette, okay, for my contour, because the colors in that light palette they're so wonderful and pretty. Okay, and so here you're gonna hear me talking about the live video.
Let's put this look together. All right.
Yeah.
Will I be contouring my nose? Kunaba, hi! Oh, it's so good to see you! Alright, so I'm not in the mood to contour my nose because I mean there's a lot going on with the eyes already. But for this look, I want it to be really bold. You know, I want the smoky eye, the whole effect. And I'll be using my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Copenhagen. I'm not sure if I've used it before, but I think I have. I'm not sure. Maybe once. I don't know. Alright, there goes. On the video, I don't know if you guys can really see it, if it's popping. And I think it's a little bit dry. I haven't used it in a while. Yeah, up. I'm layering it on. All right. Right, and yeah, that's the final look. And I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Kilowatts. I didn't go for the gold for a lot of reasons. Not that it didn't look good, it looked really awesome. But the color is, you have to be very careful with that color, you know. It's good, it's nice, but it could always come off the wrong way, okay, while I'm using it. So I just didn't go for it. But this for me spoke volumes to me more than any other thing. And I'll be going with the really shiny one as a highlighter on my ooh la la. I'm so glad I'm using this product. I won't believe it. And that's it for this look. I intentionally did not start this video from the beginning because I know live videos could tend to be long. And secondly, I'm not so sure. Hi, Keishlani. I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing your name correctly. Hi, Keishlani. Welcome. And right now I'm really trying to know what I can do on live and what I cannot do. If it were possible for me to really do live videos every day, you know, or you know, every other day, I'm not sure yet. So I'm still working on the logistics on how, you know, and how many times I could do live videos. You know, I'd love to do them, but I really would also want a situation where I'm not spending so much time, you know, doing live videos at the same time. So I'm still trying to work out the logistics of that. And yeah, that's it for this look. And yeah,
so that's it for this look. Thanks so much for watching. I had my hands in a lot of things that day, so bye.